eligibility. So CFA all these years was mainly paid for working professionals, but over the last few years, and especially last year, they broke all records of history and they made a change that if you're in your second last year of graduation, earlier it wasn't even this much, you had to be on your way out as a graduate to be eligible for CFA. Now you can do it. So if you're a BCom student by your second year, and if you're an engineering student by your third year, you can start appearing for CFA. That means you can give CFA Level 1 in your second last year, CFA Level 2 in your last year, graduate, and then give CFA Level 3. So eligibility is simple, not much. You need to have an international passport. You need to know English, obviously. If you have any other doubts for eligibility, please feel free to reach out. So guys, if you'd like to learn more about CFA, if this video was for any reason not enough, you have more questions, not only can you leave it in the comments, but please feel free to reach out. We do land up training a few thousand CFA students every year, and hopefully we've seen most of them progress. So if you have any further doubts, feel free to reach out. We are there to help.